I have something so awesome that I want to share with you today. This thing is the coolest thing ever, and it's behind this door, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And like I said a moment ago, there's something really awesome hiding behind this door. Okay, it's not hiding behind the door, but this is where it lives. So how about I open the door and show you what's inside? Ta-da! It's my tractor. Seriously though, that's not what I wanted to show you, but what I did want to show you is hooked up to my tractor. This is what I wanted to show you. Isn't it beautiful? This is something that I just got probably about a week and a half ago, and I'm so excited to share this with you. This is called an EZ Groomer, and this EZ Groomer takes the place of the contraptions that I had hooked up to my tractor before. So I had my little yellow box that was hooked up directly to the tractor through the 3-point hitch. And then I would connect my arena drag, the like harrow, the ground thing. I would connect that to the box and I would drag my arena with that. And while that did do the job, it wasn't quite what I was looking for. I have been searching for something like this EZ Groomer for the last couple of years, but I couldn't ever find one that was affordable and that I could have shipped to me. But after talking to Mike over at EZ Groomer, he kind of walked me through the process, told me how to do it, and they even offer shipping, which is really awesome as far as I'm concerned, because the EZ Groomer itself weighs 325 pounds and they can't really just ship that by UPS or FedEx. They actually have to put it on a truck. So it did take a little bit of time, a couple of weeks for me to get the groomer, but I'm so happy that I ordered this. Felt like Christmas waiting for it. But I want to show you the EZ Groomer, tell you a little bit more about it, and then I'm going to go groom the arena and you can see how awesome this thing is. So the arena groomer that I got, it is 4 feet wide, and there's 3 different parts to this groomer. So you have the S-tines, there's 2 rows of the S-tines, and what that does is that breaks up the dirt. Then after that you have the bar. It's a leveler bar, and what that does is it takes the dirt and it levels it out. And then the last and my favorite part of this is the little spinny thing. I have no idea what it's called. It's a spinny thing. It's really cool and it leaves patterns in the dirt. So what the little spinny thing does is it spins when it comes into contact with the dirt, and then it just evens everything out, levels everything, and it just makes it perfect. And I have to say, when I first tried this, I was a little concerned because I wasn't sure how it was going to work. The ground is really hard because it's been so dry. But let's take it out into the arena and let me show you how this thing works.
That was pretty awesome, don't you think? I am so happy with this thing. It's so easy to use, and one of the reasons I decided to stay with the 4-foot wide version was because I can leave it hooked up to the tractor and then just pull it into the garage. I do wash it off every time that I use it because it's really pretty and I don't want to mess up the paint job. Not really, but I do want to take care of it so that it's going to last as long as possible. But the EZ Groomer comes in different sizes, so if this is something that you're thinking about getting for your own arena, they come in all different sizes. There's 4-foot, there's 5-foot, I think there's even 6-foot and 7-foot. I don't know, you'd have to go to their website and look, but it's pretty cool. And if you don't have a tractor, they actually have the groomer that can be hooked up to an ATV. Thankfully, I have the tractor, so the groomer that I got, it's actually a little bit less expensive because it doesn't have to have wheels or anything on it. So I'm really happy with the groomer that I got. And I don't mean to sound like a commercial for EZ Groomer, but I really wanted to share this with you because when I was considering purchasing an arena groomer, there really weren't a lot of videos out there for people to see how this one worked. So I thought I would just make a video so you can see how it works. Unfortunately, I didn't have a video of us hooking it up to the hitch on the back of the tractor, but it's a 3-point hitch. It was pretty easy for one person to hook it up. My husband actually did it. So when it came, I got to come home and use the arena groomer. He's a great guy. He does things like that for me all the time. All right, so that is my arena groomer. I hope you enjoyed watching my arena get groomed. I really enjoyed doing it. And it seems like the more that I groom it and drive this little arena groomer around, the better the ground gets, and it makes it a lot easier for working with my horses in the arena. And just in case you're curious about the EZ Groomer, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can go check out their website. They actually have the prices of the groomers on their website, which is awesome. And from all of them that I looked at, they had the best price and they were the most affordable. And Mike was who I dealt with, and he was a pretty neat guy. So if you want a groomer or you're looking for one, you can go to their website. They have a contact page, so you can actually contact them. You can ask them any questions. And if you do reach out to them to find out more about an arena groomer for yourself, just let them know that Lisa, the Budget Equestrian, sent you to them. Again, not sponsored. I just want them to know that I'm so happy with my groomer that I'm telling everyone to go check them out. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other DIY projects, product reviews, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.